Hello there. I just wanted to record a really quick video for you today to show you how to assemble this cute triangle treat box. So in the blog post I've shown you the measurements and the directions for getting to this point, but it's a little bit difficult to explain in text what to do next. So you've got your decoration on the front on the black piece, and you've got white and white next to black, and here you've got the white piece and the black piece. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to fold it so that the white pieces go over the black pieces. Okay, so that's how your box is going to look when it's closed, with a ribbon through the top. So then what I need to do is open up these two flaps. I use a crocodile. So if you don't have one of these, just try and use a hole punch, a Stampin' Up! Now Sell, a little mini hole punch, which is this one here. It does provide a very small hole though, but it will work. I'm just going to go with my crocodile because I know that's what works for me. So I'm going to pop this in here. It's already set to me for the right distance, and I'm going to punch down. So you're looking to get a hole roughly in the centre here. Now if you're a bit off, it doesn't matter too much. And then again, go with this side and then open this side up. So white over black, open this side up and go again. Okay, now you have your holes. So what you can do is start from one side, keep the white over the black, grab your length of ribbon. Now, I should have measured this before I came on. I think you're going to need about 11 inches of ribbon. It might be a little bit, I might have cut this a little bit small, so we'll see, but this is 11. So the white over the black, and then feed that through both holes. Now fill your treat box, and then the ribbon goes through the black. Close that up, and then through that, oh sorry, on camera would help. I'm trying to watch myself as I do it. And then through that white piece. Okay, so there's your treat box closed. Pull your lengths of ribbon together. This looks about right actually. And then just tie that in a bow. Obviously, again, make sure you've filled your treat box first. But I will just do this. I can always undo it and fill it up. I'm making some of these. I made these for my swaps for on stage, and I'm making some for my class ladies too. I didn't swap with any of my team so that they could swap with other demonstrators, and then I said they would get one of mine later. So there we go. I would then just trim the ends, but I won't do that until I've filled my treat box. And there you go. Cute little triangle treat box for you. Thanks everybody. Take care. Have a great day, and I'll see you again soon.